how rock stars and cult leaders hijack our brains to achieve stage charisma. Whether performing in a rock band, giving a sales presentation, or starting a religion, you must leverage the phenomenon of emotional contagion. Charisma is an entirely emotional process where the audience experiences a feeling of warmth, excitement, energy, and other positive feelings in the presence of a speaker. Emotional contagion is the mechanism by which the spread of emotion goes through a group of people. The primary driver of emotional contagion is our mirror neurons. They are the parts of our brain that light up when we witness someone else's behavior, and they allow us to imagine what the person might be experiencing or feeling, what we often call empathy. When we watch a movie and Indiana Jones is hanging off a cliff and a tarantula is climbing up his leg and a big stone is rolling towards his head, our mirror neurons are firing off to give us a little sense of the danger and the fear that Indy might be experiencing. Stage charisma is hijacking our empathy wiring to infect us with the emotional state of the speaker. When someone with higher energy enters a group of people with low energy and he's committed to that higher energy, the lower energy people will gradually and unconsciously start shifting to match that energy level. So when you see someone communicating from a stage or in a YouTube video from a heightened energy state, the longer we witness them, the more our mirror neurons are lighting up and the more we get infected with their heightened state of excitement and energy. Rock stars like Freddie Mercury or Mick Jagger, or EDM DJs like Steve Aoki commit to their heightened energy state, and they take their audience on an emotional experience. Fire and brimstone preachers are masters of this, delivering their sermons with over-the-top energy and boisterous hallelujah, and they fire up their audience. The way you implement this into your life is by developing rituals that you use to heighten your state before any important performance in front of people. Whether singing karaoke, running a mile, shadowboxing, dancing like crazy, watching videos of your favorite stand-up comic, use rituals to access a heightened state and always be aware of the emotional contagion that you bring to any interaction.